In today's video, I am going to teach you how to view test mode logs for a specific event in Stripe. Begin by making sure you are already signed into your Stripe dashboard and that you are working in the correct account. This is important if you manage more than one Stripe account because events and logs are separated by account and environment. Next, switch to the sandbox environment that contains the test activity you want to inspect. Since you are looking for test mode logs, you need to be in the environment where that test event was created. Once you are in the correct sandbox, go to the left-hand navigation menu and open Developers. From there, look under Workbench and select Events. This will take you to the page where Stripe lists the events generated in that environment. On the Events page, find the specific test event that you want to investigate. You can scroll through the event list if it is easy to spot, or you can use the Find Event by ID search field if you already have the event ID. If the list is long, use the available filters to narrow it down. You can filter by date, status, event type, resource, or payload type to make the search faster and more accurate. When you find the event, click it to open the Details page. Here, review the event information carefully. Pay attention to the event type, the related resource, and the time it occurred. These details will help you match the event to the correct API activity in the logs. After noting that information, go back to Workbench and open the Logs tab. This section shows the API requests that were recorded for your sandbox environment. On the Logs page, begin by using the Date filter to focus on the time range when the event happened. This will help reduce the number of results you need to check. If necessary, apply additional filters such as Status, HTTP method, API endpoint, or Connected Account ID. These filters can help you pinpoint the exact request that triggered or relates to the event you opened earlier. Once you identify the matching API request, click the log entry to open it. You will then be able to review the full log details. This includes the request, the response, the status, the endpoint, and other useful information connected to that API activity. By comparing the event details with the log details, you can confirm that you have found the correct test mode log for that specific Stripe event.